So yeah, there it is. If anybody knows what it is, it's a bow thrust. That's what's going on the boat in the next 2 weeks. Got 2 controls to it. Gearbox. And the mounts to go with it. So they goes, that basically goes in there. The other way around. That basically goes in there. Clean up. I've been on there for a while, so it needs cleaning up. And that goes on there basically, and then it goes like that onto the tunnel, and then the engine sits on top of that. So it should be done in the next 2 weeks. Heavy duty cabling to go with it, and that's going to turn the boat much better on the pontoon. Well, that's fitted. I'll clean up inside there now. And get all this rust off here and clean it all up. Yep. And it's all working, don't worry about it. I've had it all tested, it's all working. Yeah, that's what's going on in the next 2 weeks. So keep an eye out for this one. Thanks for watching, bye.